It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday morning, the 24th. I'm James Spann. Severe weather overnight. A no-show. A bust. Hey, and nobody's griping about that. Even if you stay up all night, nothing happens, that's a good thing. A reminder, we're coming to Cullman next week. Our annual Severe Weather Awareness Tour, Storm Alert 2012. We will be in Cullman Tuesday night. Again, note that's a Tuesday night show next week at 6:30 at the Cullman Civic Center. Hope to see many of you there. So many stories to tell from last April 27th. All right, that's our Jasper Skycam. About the time that image was captured, there was some pretty wicked lightning on that camera to the north. We just couldn't capture it there in a freeze frame with a big storm that formed over Smith Lake. There's the Birmingham Skycam looking north from the Daniel Building, and from Tuscaloosa, that is looking west from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. You know, this thing has been a mystery all week. You know, early in the week, SPC had that enhanced severe weather look. They had the hatched area right over us on Tuesday for last night and early this morning. But as the event got closer, everything just looked a little out of phase. It never picked up that upper low that's over the Gulf of California. And the capping inversion held all night. They kept a lid on things. So just one of those deals. There's the radar at 5:07 this morning. And there's actually some good storms. You can see that cluster that was north of Jasper on top of Smith Lake, and then a band of storms down to the south from near Alberta to Selma to Wetumpka, Dadeville, and Lafayette. But nothing severe. The air is relatively stable, and all of that should be out of the state by mid-morning. And it's turning colder behind that trough, as you can see, and we're going to be noticeably cooler today and over the weekend. Watch warning map, some snow issues up north, including winter storm warnings for parts of Michigan and upper New England. Winter storm watch for parts of North Dakota and Minnesota, and some high wind issues out west. Now, for the rest of today and tonight, you know, this might actually be the main severe weather day with this thing. East of here, there is the standard risk from southeast Alabama and North Florida all the way up to Chesapeake Bay. And look at that. We have an enhanced severe weather threat now. We got the hatched area there from about Augusta up to Virginia Beach. So for our friends that are watching this to the east, just be aware that some of the storms could pack a punch. The main threat would be from strong winds and hail over there, maybe an isolated tornado. There's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday evening. Not much. That's counts the rain we had last night, early this morning, and really the next decent rain should come about Wednesday of next week, as you'll see, but maybe some showers by Tuesday. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run at noon today, and there's your trough at 500 millibars, and down below that, showers are on the way out, colder air on the way in. The NAM is showing a high today of 57, the GFS at 61. We'll just kind of hover in that range all day today with a cool breeze. Tomorrow we'll start the day down in the low and mid-30s. A bright sunny sky throughout the day with a high between 57 and 60. And Sunday, rain begins to return down south. Showers are possible mainly south of US 84, but around here the day looks dry, partly sunny with a high close to 60. Monday of next week looks relatively dry with mid to upper 60s. Thickness values are coming up, and there's Tuesday. A 1,000 millibar low is over the high plains. The Gulf is opening up, and there might be a shower, but if this is right, it wouldn't be very widespread. And the warm-up continues. How about low 70s on Tuesday? And there's Wednesday, a pretty strong feature passing well to the north of here. Down below that, it's a vertically stacked system. There's a 984 millibar low near Minneapolis-St. Paul with a band of showers and storms passing through here. But with a surface low so far north and ridging to the south and east, severe weather would be marginal with that. And then Thursday, we're back into drier air, but not really cooler air. Highs stay in the 60s, and there's a week from today, evidence of some rain over the southern half of the state. And then just for the fun of it, that following day, this is Saturday, March 3rd, a nice trough over the east, and that's colder, if this is right. And that's kind of out there in the land of voodoo, but a lot of things are planned outdoors on the 3rd, and we just thought we'd show you that. All right, the end of the forecast is March 10th, and that's no cold look. We got troughing over the west, ridging here, and that would be warm and dry and quiet, if that's right. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.